Hello, I'm Chef David and welcome back to another session. Today we are going to do Claypot Tofu. It's very tasty and it's very healthy. I'm going to get a mixing bowl. So we are just going to put the flour in and we are just going to coat the tofu. Cooking oil. Okay, we're going to turn the tofu. Okay, I think we're done. Now we're going to remove the tofu from the oil onto a bowl. So now we're going to start frying the vegetables. Okay, we're going to start with the ginger. So we're going to put in the black fungus now. Just fry it until the fungus begin to curl. As you can see, it's beginning to curl. Alright, the next thing we're going to throw in will be your mushrooms, the carrots, the ginkgo nuts, and your capsicum, Chinese cabbage, oyster sauce or your mushroom sauce. Just a little bit of water. Now just a pinch of black pepper, pinch of salt, sesame oil. We'll just add a bit more water. Okay, just let it simmer for about a minute or two. Okay, I'm going to add in the tofu now. Okay, lastly, we're just going to add cornstarch. Mix it well. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the dish is done. Okay, right now we are going to transfer this into your clay pot. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, Claypot tofu, very healthy food. I'll be back very soon with new interesting dishes. See you very soon.